Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As we mentioned, of course, before that we were testing, of course, a diagonal here, and we got the invalidation of the bullish within the diagonal because, of course, we took the low, and that means, of course, the things are not looking good, not looking great. Today, also for Nasdaq and the US stocks, we have invalidated, of course, a potential diagonal here. And we're still dumping impulsively, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wave 5 might, of course, reach still, of course, a 0.786 taken from the 1, 2 here, which might still give a chance, of course, for potential a B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 before you move for higher. But if we dive deeper and we take the 886, we gotta be careful, of course, with it. This is, of course, confirmation for lower, meaning deeper correction might be unfolding WX and a Y here. And this wave Y might be very deep and complex. And of course, another different scenario here, of course, is an ABC running flat as an A, B, and a C hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, which is in confluence with a 0.786 for Nasdaq. So to be watched still, of course, for potential bullish here is the 25K guy. If we take the 25K and we see a rebound, and of course without taking the 886, because that will not be nice, especially that we start to lose momentum here. So we gotta be careful, this momentum from the lows right now, and if we lose it, of course we gotta be careful. We might drop very fast. The same as Nasdaq, we have SPX. Also, this diagonal is invalidated. We don't have any kind of diagonal right now. Potentially 0.786 as well can be a potential reversal, but you still need to finish a structure here as an impulse, potential 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least short wave C, unless of course it takes the 886 again. And of course, don't forget the A, B, and a C running flat here, that it might take the 1-to-1 fib level, potentially moving toward the upside. So as I mentioned, guys, because we didn't finish a structure toward the upside, which it should be here, definitely this is going to turn into a very, very complex structure, whether in a running flat ABC, or it's going to be a very complex WX and a Y to reach even a new low. By all means, this wave 4 has transferred to this side for both, for Nasdaq and for SPX. Yep, so these are the updates right now. Can be bearish, of course, it can be bearish, but not really bearish, meaning not a wave 2 yet. I still believe that this is a corrective wave, and we still need to take the high, because this is not a good ending here for this move toward the upside. Okay, and if this is the complex structure that we're gonna get a WX and a Y, meaning, of course, yeah, we might still, of course, rebound for higher sooner or later, but currently a deep correction can take a place if we break, of course, all these level finally. This is a final level, of course, guys, but it's not looking good. Yeah, I would say it's not looking really great, because this can turn into double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 in case that happens. So we gotta be careful. All right, so that was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.